Hello, I'm a student of the Metropolitan University, and I just try to get familiar with this Coospace. So, is there any calendar that shows the different deadlines and important datas for me?
Yes, of course, there is. Please go to the Documents Information for Students scene. And as you can see, there are many different information and guides related to your studies. If you scroll down a little bit, then here you can find the academic calendar folder. The new academic year's calendar is already uploaded here. This is for the autumn semester, so if you please open it. Here you can see all the relevant deadlines and periods that apply in this semester.
Mm-hmm. Does it show for me, because for example, I'm a visual representation student, I'm on that program, does it specifically show for me the different datas?
Yes, of course. Well, most of the deadlines are the same. If there is any difference, then it's indicated here. For example, the study period for the art programs will begin on the 13th of December. And there's a workshop week, which is only in art programs. So you can see, you can find all the deadlines that are relevant to your program.
Oh, that's great, that I'm going to have a long holiday.
Yes, that's right. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, I heard from my friend that there is something is called recommended curriculum, which is going to be a kind of a lead through my studies, but I couldn't find it. So could you please show that for me?
Yes, of course. It's basically at the same place where you can find the academic calendar. Please scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the recommended curriculum. So you're an art student. You can see that it's divided into art and business, tourism, and communication programs. So you need the art, and you are a bachelor student.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And when did you enroll? When did you start your studies at the university?
Well, not quite sure. I think it's in my Neptune, but probably last year in autumn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that's 2020-21 autumn. And you said visual representation.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Here's the recommended curriculum for the film and media specialization.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see the first semester subjects. There are lectures and practical subjects in your program. Here you can see some numbers attached to these types of courses. It means that you will have to take 2 classes in each week in this subject. And the credit points are also indicated here.
Mm-hmm. So I have to collect all these credits, what is represented on this recommended curriculum.
Yes, that's right. So when you register for your subjects at the beginning of the semester, it's important that you check your recommended curriculum as well to see what subjects are recommended for you in that given semester. And in the Neptune, you'll need to make sure that you take these subjects.
So, and how many credits do I need to collect? Because, for example, I see that that it says that frame of optional subjects.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's right. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see the total the total credit number. So that's 180. Yes. And you need to take 9 optional credits, which is included in the 180 credits. So that is the minimum total credits that you need to collect.
Mm-hmm. So that's 180 for the total and 9 for the frame of the optional subject. And what if I'm not able to collect these credit numbers? Because, for example, it's possible that I don't like a subject or I'm not happy with the teacher. Am I going to be able to finish my studies?
Well, you will need to collect 180 credits during your studies. So you will not be able to graduate until you gained all the necessary credit numbers.
All right, so that's essential to finish my studies, to collect this 180. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No, that was all. Thanks very much for your help.
Thank you for calling.